Simpra Inventory Stock Card Definitions. In order to view the existing stock cards and add new stock cards, you can access the stock cards under the master data. To add a new stock card, click on the Add Stock Card button. The screen that comes up has a quick entry screen and a detailed entry screen for us to add a stock card. There are 3 types of stock cards: stock items, production items, and purchase items. If we are going to define a stock item, it will be enough to select the name, item group, tax, base unit, and store unit of our stock item on the quick entry screen. For example, let's define the strawberry stock card. In the name section, I write the name of the strawberry. In the bottom section, we need to select the item group to which this stock item is connected. These item groups are the subgroups we have previously defined under the master data groups. As you can see, when the item group selection is made, it automatically brings the tax rate in this item group definition that we have previously selected. If the tax rate of the stock item we will define is different from the tax rate definition of its item group, the desired tax rate can be selected from the tax heading specifically for the stock item. The base unit field is the only field that can be selected once when defining the stock item. It is not possible to change the base unit after the base unit is selected and saved. The selection of the base unit to be given to the stock item should be made depending on how this stock item will be used in the enterprise. To give an example from our strawberry stock item, we may be buying this product in units because we purchased it in 2-kilogram packages. However, since this stock card will be used in kilograms in recipes and studs and the package content may change in the future, we choose the basic unit as kilograms. The second unit field is the section where we can select the store unit. The store unit will ensure that the store units created in kilograms are used for this stock card. For example, we can define store units such as package 2 kilograms to this stock card. After filling in the fields we need to fill in on our quick entry screen, we create our stock card by adding a stock card. When we come back to the stock card screen, when we press the 3 dots next to the stock card we have opened, we can edit our stock card again. If the stock card we have opened has not seen any stock movement, such as purchase, return, transfer, sale, we can delete this stock card. When we press Edit from 3 points, the stock card we opened, name, item group, tax rate, we can change the store unit. However, we cannot change the base unit. In the stock card editing screen, there is a quick entry field as well as a detailed entry field. In the detailed entry field, you can change the, except for mandatory fields, sales tax, price type of the item, last purchase price, stock item number, barcode entry, estimated cost, approval level, and sell order settings. Sales tax field is a field used in franchised businesses for sales price transactions in transfer. It can be defined on the basis of item group as well as when opening a stock item. Price type is the purchase price offer type of the stock card we have opened. There are 3 options as dynamic, fixed, and fixed price offer. If we need to examine these price offers, when we create a stock, it automatically comes to us as dynamic as selected. Dynamic price type. For example, I order my strawberries for €4 a kilo. It comes to me at €5. The system accepts this and updates my price quotes table to €5. In the fixed price type, when I order a kilo of strawberries at €4, if it arrives at €5, the system does not accept this offer, and it does not change the price quotes. In the fixed price type, I order a kilogram of strawberries at €4, and it comes to me at €5 at the time of purchase. I can make a purchase, but my price in my price quotes table does not change. The last purchase price is the last purchase price of our stock item. In other words, when we make the last purchase in our stock item, it will automatically take the latest price and write it in this field. In the stock item number field, if desired, the stock number can be defined for the stock item from this field. In the barcode entry field, we can enter the barcode number from this field if we wish. After writing our barcode, by pressing the plus key, we can save it. Or if we want the system to create a barcode for us, it will create a standard 13-digit barcode number for us by saying Create Barcode. For small size barcode definitions, I click on the Create Weighted Barcode button and then click on the Create Barcode button. Estimated cost field is used to calculate the cost in recipes. For example, since we did not make any purchases from the strawberry stock card, the cost will be reflected as 0 when we add it to the recipe content. However, if we enter an estimated cost from this field, when we say Calculate with Estimated Cost in the recipe module, it will calculate over the cost we write here. At the approval level, depending on your business structure, if you are going to use approval ratios in your orders or transfer requests, here you can set the approval level for your stock item. If we are making a purchase in an order, we can set deviation rates in quantity and price proportionally using the order deviation settings. If the purchase order exceeds the deviation rate here proportionally, a warning screen will appear. Let's take strawberries as an example. We create a purchase order for strawberries and write 10 euros in the price there. I come here and if I put 10% on it selling at maximum price, when strawberries come to me at 12 euros, the system will give a warning and indicate that it is stuck on the price cell. The same is true for quantity deviation. When we set a quantity deviation as well as a minimum or maximum price deviation, if the strawberries I ordered as 10 kilos arrive as 12 kilos, it will be stuck in the quantity deviation rate and the system will not accept the purchase. If the order is also without deviation settings, the price deviation settings we have determined here will not be valid for ordered purchases. A price selling rate will be determined based on the latest price in the price quotes. For example, if I set 10% in this field for the strawberry stock price, which I last received from my strawberry supplier as 10 euros in price offers, the system will not accept it when the strawberry comes from 15 euros and will indicate that it is stuck in the price deviation rate. In the allergen section, there are 14 allergen substances determined by the Ministry of Health. From here, we can select any allergen product that our stock card contains. When our stock card, which we have saved after selecting, is used in any recipe content, the phrase contains allergen substance will appear in the recipe information on the side. In the nutritional value, if we enter the nutrients contained in our stock item here, it will show us the energy calorie amount when we use our stock product in the recipe. For example, if our strawberry stock item has a shelf life, we write it down here. For example, 20 days. If I am checking the expiration date on the stock card I have opened, I check this field. After checking and filling all fields, I click on the Finish Editing field. Our second stock item type, production item, has no difference from the normal stocked definition. Production item is the state that occurs when production is made by recipe in production enterprises. That is, the product produced will be seen in stocks as inventory. For example, let's make the definition of cookie production item. As an item group, let's select the productions groups that we have opened in the groups. After selecting the item group, the tax rate will automatically come here because we have selected it in the item group definition. Again, base unit selection is made, and click on the Add Stock Card button. And we save our production stock card. And when we look at our third item, the purchasing item is the inventory used for brand and variety tracking in purchases that work like a sub-product of an inventory. For example, iced tea can. Iced tea can should be a stock item for us. We can define the types of this product from this area. Iced tea peach, iced tea mango, iced tea lemon maybe. By pressing enter after each purchase stock item I type, I save my stock cards, and I have created the purchase item cards to my stock iced tea can. However, it should be known that future recipes, purchases, wastes, stock drops, in other words, all stock movements are not from iced tea lemon, mango, and peach, which are purchasing stock items, will be from the stock iced tea can. Purchasing stocks can only be used in order and purchase order. The rest of the item group, tax, base unit, store unit parts, are the same as other stock card definitions. I select the item group of my iced tea can item. I select the tax rate. As the base unit, I select each because it is an on-sale product. Again, I can choose my store unit as 24 pieces of box. Then, if I am not going to add another stock card, I press the Add Stock Card button after unchecking Add Another Stock Card. And my iced tea can stock is saved. With the filtering I can do from above, if I want to see only my stock items, I can press Stock Items. If I only want to see my production stock cards, I can press Production Item. If I want to see only my purchasing stock cards, I can access Purchase, where the iced tea can we just opened is located.